Welcome to Zero Fat TV. Think different, where we explore the world of adventure and skill building. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the exhilarating realm of parkour. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to refine your skills, our guide to mastering parkour moves through beginner classes will set you on the path to success.
Unlocking the basics of parkour. Before you conquer skyscrapers and urban landscapes, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals. Our beginner parkour classes focus on unlocking essential techniques like precision jumps, rolls, and basic vaults. These foundational moves not only build your agility and strength but also lay the groundwork for more advanced maneuvers. The fundamentals of parkour revolve around developing physical and mental abilities to efficiently navigate obstacles in urban environments. Some key fundamentals include precision jumps. Precision jumps involve leaping accurately and landing precisely on a target or platform. This skill is essential for traversing gaps in narrow spaces safely. Rolls. Rolling techniques are crucial for absorbing impact and maintaining momentum when landing from heights. Proper rolling technique helps prevent injuries to the joints and spine. Vaults. Vaults are techniques used to overcome barriers such as railings, walls, and fences. Different types of vaults, such as the safety vault and speed vault, allow tracers, parkour practitioners, to efficiently move over obstacles. Wall runs. Wall runs involve scaling vertical surfaces by running up and pushing off with the feet. This skill requires explosive power and precise foot placement. Balance and coordination. Developing balance and coordination is essential for maintaining control while executing parkour movements. Practicing balancing exercises improves stability and agility. Flow and efficiency. Parkour emphasizes fluid movement and efficiency in traversing obstacles. Tracers aim to move seamlessly from one obstacle to the next, conserving energy and momentum. Spatial awareness. Spatial awareness involves understanding one's surroundings and accurately assessing distances and heights. This skill helps tracers plan and execute movements safely and effectively. Adaptability. Parkour encourages adaptability in response to changing environments and obstacles. Tracers learn to adapt their movements and techniques to different situations and challenges. By mastering these fundamentals and continuously honing their skills, parkour practitioners can become proficient in navigating urban environments with speed, precision, and creativity. Building strength and agility. Parkour isn't just about flashy moves, it's about developing a strong and agile body. We emphasize strength-building exercises tailored to parkour enthusiasts. From bodyweight workouts to functional training, we ensure that you're not only mastering parkour moves but also enhancing your overall physical capabilities. Navigating obstacles with confidence. One of the core principles of parkour is overcoming obstacles with confidence and finesse. You'll learn how to assess your surroundings, identify potential challenges, and navigate them seamlessly. From mastering precision landings to efficiently scaling walls, with the skills needed to tackle any terrain. Join the parkour community. Parkour is not just a sport, it's a community united by a passion for movement and self-expression. By joining a beginner parkour class, you'll become part of a supportive network of like-minded individuals dedicated to pushing their limits. Through shared experiences and camaraderie, you'll find inspiration, motivation, and lifelong friends on your parkour journey. In summary, mastering parkour moves through beginner classes is an exhilarating and rewarding experience. From unlocking the basics to building strength and agility, a beginner class provides the perfect foundation for your parkour journey. With guidance, you'll navigate obstacles with confidence and become part of a vibrant parkour community. So, what are you waiting for? Join us at Zero Fat TV. Think different and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Zero Fat TV. On YouTube. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Zero Fat TV. All our dreams can come true, if we have the courage to pursue them. Benny M. Hamilton.